Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to create a frequency distribution table in Excel. These 3 ways will help you visualize how your data is distributed. We are going to cover the Data Analysis ToolPak, the frequency function, and pivot tables. Now, before we start, let's quickly understand what a frequency distribution is. It's a table that shows how often certain values or ranges of values occur in your data. For this tutorial, we are using a dataset of monthly website visitors. Our goal is to see how many months had visitors within specific ranges, like 2200 to 2300, 2301 to 2400, and so on. Now, let's get started with our first method. The first method is to use the Data Analysis ToolPak. This is a built-in Excel add-in that makes creating frequency tables super easy. First, you need to enable Data Analysis ToolPak. To do so, go to the File tab, then click Options, then select Add-ins. At the bottom, choose Excel Add-ins from the drop-down. Now click Go. Now check Analysis Toolpack and hit OK. Now click the Data tab and you will see the Data Analysis option is available on the right side. Now the next step is to set up the bin ranges. You have to find out the maximum and the minimum values from visitors column to set up the bin ranges. Let's say you want to see this max value in cell B15 and the min value in B16. So in cell B15, type the formula to get the maximum value equal max open bracket, then the range which is B2 to B13. Now close the bracket and press enter. You will get the maximum value 2800. Now in cell B16, similarly type the formula to get the minimum value equal min open bracket, then the range which is B2 to B13. Close the bracket and hit enter. You will get 2300 as the minimum value. That means monthly visitors range from 2300 to 2800. Now create the bin ranges. In column D, we will write the bin ranges. First, name this as bin, then start with 2200 in cell D2, then add 100 for each bin. For example, in D3, type equal D2 plus 100. Now press enter. Now drag down to create bins up to 2800. These bins will group data. Now go to the Data tab, click Data Analysis. From here, select histogram and hit OK. Now for the input range, select your data range, which is B1 to B13. For bin range, select your bin range, which is D1 to D8. Now check levels if your data has headers. Choose an output cell, which is and tick chart output for a histogram. Now click OK, and there you go. You have got your frequency distribution table and a histogram to visualize it. Now the second method is to use the frequency function. This is great if you want a quick formula-based approach. Just you need to set up the bin ranges first. We will use the same bin ranges from method 1, starting at 2200 and increasing by 100. Now it's time to write the formula for frequency function. Before that, name this column as frequency. Now select cell E2. Now type the formula equal frequency, open bracket, then the range which is B2 to B13, comma, now the bin ranges which is D2 to D8. Now close the bracket. Now if you are using Excel 2019 or earlier version, you should press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Otherwise simply press Enter. I'm not using 2019 or the earlier version, that's why I'm just simply pressing Enter. Okay, so this gives us the frequency for each bin. For example, the second bin 2201 to 2300, this is one observation, and the last row shows any values above 2800. Now, for a visual, select your bins and frequencies. Now go to the Insert tab. From there, click Recommended Charts and choose Clustered Column and click OK. You will get the histogram of the frequency distribution table. Finally, the third method is to use the pivot table. This is perfect for flexible data analysis. First, select any cell in your dataset, then go to the Insert tab. Now click Pivot Table. From here, choose Existing Worksheet. Set the location to D1 and click OK. Now drag the visitors field to both the rows and values areas. In the values area, click Sum of Visitors. Now choose Value Field Settings from the drop-down. From here, change it to Count. Now right-click any cell in the row labels, then select Group and set the starting point to 2200, ending at 2800 with a step of 100. Now click OK, and there's your frequency distribution table. For a histogram, select the table and now go to Insert, then Recommended Charts, and select this Clustered Column option and hit OK. And that's it. Now, you know 3 easy ways to create a frequency distribution table in Excel using the Data Analysis ToolPak, the frequency function, and pivot tables. Try them out and let me know which one you like the best in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tutorials. Download the Excel worksheet from the link below to practice and visit excelinsider.com. See you in the next video. Thank you.